Lies, deceit, and treachery. Next. Hey kids, JD here. A few of you may have watched the video about fun with boots and cats, wherein I mentioned that cats had offered a variety of tea that was supposed to be really good and didn't taste like weeds. I want to say for the record, this is factually true. That tea did not taste like weeds. Why? Because it was the herbal variety without any weeds in it. Ergo, it cannot taste like weeds. So, kind of had to go out and get the stuff with weeds to see how that works out. As you can see, it's in there's actually a slightly different color. Okay, cats is correct. This still does not taste, I really can't taste the weeds in it. So that's good. Recommended. Same brand, just with the tea in it. But as always, my question is, can we make this better? And I believe we can. Perhaps through the use of Puerto Rican spices again. Bottle's full. Time to do it. All right. Little taste for Papa. And now, I'm finally willing to admit the fact that I'm like a serial killer of motorcycles when it comes to repairing them. And this is just my new kill room. That's all there is to it. All right. Have to do it like this. So, Puerto Rican spices in already sweet and spicy tea. Let's see what happens. It's good. All right, well, we'll let cats off the hook this time because, why not? It ended up working out in the end anyway, and I just said the end like 3 or 4 times in a row. Let's see. The usual assortment, mishmash, art on the walls. Oh, wait, there's one. Look at the color, the composition. Is that what draws my eye? Nope, it's boobies. Okay, so I'll be honest. I thought my time of messing around with cats this week was done, but then, in an inspired step forward, it came to me. Why do we keep adding booze to tea when instead we can make booze tea? Am I right? So what I did is I took the vodka, a cup of it, waited until it boiled. That's about 170 degrees when the alcohol starts boiling, so it won't go the same time as the water. But once you start seeing that, take it off, tea bag, wait 10 minutes, see what happens. And you know what? This is what happens. As you can see, we have steeped it, and it's literally just booze and a tea bag. I didn't use the tea with weeds in it. I used the herbal version of it just to make sure. But I'm wasting time because we need to see how this is. So, here we go. It's actually not too bad. Obviously, if I were to filter it, and there's a link above for that, it would be better, but I'm not getting quite as much of the aftertaste. But I do want to make a critical distinction. Not as bad doesn't mean it still isn't kind of shitty, because it kind of is. But I do need it for a request. You see, I'm here for you. Most of you think, boy, all he wants is us to come on here to boost his channel, and boy, what an egomaniac. But that's where you're wrong. In the comment sections, one of my best friends on the planet, Brian, said, "Hey, fat guy, how about jalapeno lemonade?" To which I had to reply, "The fuck is that?" We got on the phone, and he explained it to me. It's lemonade. Take a jalapeno, cut it into strips, put it inside. Stir every once in a while. Let it sit for at least a day, possibly 2 days. Okay, well, I don't want anyone to say that I'm not here for them. Okay? The only reason I do this is not for fame, fortune, glory. I'm here solely for you. So, without further ado, jalapeno lemonade. It's good. It's just lemonade with just a tiny, tiny bit of kick to it. Really isn't even any of that. I was afraid that if it was bad enough, I was going to have to go ahead and use the vodka to wash it away. But this is good. But you know what might make it better? What if we did Thai pepper lemonade? However, I don't have that with me. I've had too much sugar to drink this week already. So if you like warm things, if you like your lemonade a little differently, you should 100% do that. And remember, this didn't come from me. This came from my friend Brian. So you're welcome. If you like it, go ahead, hit subscribe, hit me up on social media, leave comments below. JD, and I'm out.